at your home?
Yes, sir.
I have given this question in homework.
Yes, sir.
Completed this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So today we'll discuss areas of combination of figures. Plane figures. Okay, so we will first discuss some of the areas of some of the figures. First, we will discuss that. Okay, so heading is areas of combination of figures. Last topic of this chapter. Basically, what I want to say, you will have this type of areas. Suppose there is a triangle like this, and okay, this triangle. Something like this. What is this? This is a. If suppose this type of area is given, okay. So, okay, this type of area. So this is a triangle and this is a semicircle. So this in this whole area there are two areas. One is the area of triangle. One is the area of triangle. Another is the area of semicircle. So this is the areas of combination of plane figures. There can be other examples also. For example, you can take, suppose this figure is a rectangle and you have combined this rectangle with the triangle. Okay. So this type of area also. So in this whole area, there is one area of rectangle and there is one area of triangles. Okay. Basically, we will have the areas of, we will have the figures like circle, we will have triangles, we will have quadrilaterals. Azaan, do you know what are quadrilaterals?
Uh,
Hmm.
Quadrilateral is a
Hmm.
type polygon that has four sides.
Very good, very good. Right. Means it is a polygon, or you can say quadrilateral have four sides. Okay. Quad means four, lateral means sides, four side. Basically, quad it trilateral. Quad means four, lateral means side. Four side like rectangle, like square, okay, like rhombus, like parallelogram. Okay. So these are the quadrilaterals having four sides. So one by one we will discuss areas of the figures, and after that we will start. So first is the circle. Very easy. Circle. So suppose this is a circle, and this circle has the radius r, small r. What will be the area of this circle? Area of this circle will be pi r square. And the value of pi, you can take either 22 divided by 7, or you can take 3.14, or sometimes it will be given to you in the question. They will give you the instruction whether you will use 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now semicircle, if you draw a semicircle, suppose a semicircle is there. This is a semicircle, and this semicircle has the radius small r. So the area of semicircle also you can find. Area of semicircle will be, area of whole circle is pi r square. Area of half circle, semicircle is half circle, is 1 by 2 pi r square, or pi r square by 2. Now if you have a sector of a circle, sector means a part of a circle, like this. This is the center of the circle, and you have only this much part of the circle. You have only this much part of the circle, and this part is making an angle theta at the center. Okay. So area, this area, if you will calculate this area, this is known as the area of the sector. Okay, this is known as the area of the sector. If you want, then here na, there this part is, we can remove also this part. There is only this part we have. There is only this part we have. So area of this sector, which is making an angle theta at the center, we discussed already. So it will be theta multiplied by area of circle, that is pi r square divided by 360. So in circles we have these. Now in triangles we will discuss. We can have triangles like this. This is a triangle we have, and this is the altitude of the triangle. Okay, this is the altitude of the triangle. Altitude means, if you will draw, this is a whole triangle, and from this point you will draw a perpendicular to the base of the triangle. That is known as the altitude, h, and this length is base, b. this whole length from here to here, this length is base B. Okay, so area of this triangle will be half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay, this h is known as the perpendicular height or altitude. This h is known as the perpendicular height or this is also known as altitude. Okay. Now after this there is one more formula, Heron's formula, to calculate the area of triangle. Heron's formula in 9th class you have seen. Heron's formula. Now what is Heron's formula? If suppose you have a triangle like this, you have a triangle and this triangle have this side A, okay, and this side B and this side C. Means length of this side of triangle is A, length of this side of triangle is B, length of this side of triangle is C. Okay. So area of triangle is given by, before that, what will be the perimeter of the triangle? If you will get, perimeter means length of the peripheral length of this triangle, means A plus B plus C is the perimeter of the triangle. Now here, instead of perimeter, there is a term semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. So semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, if you want to find the area of triangle with the Heron's formula, that it will be under root of S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. Okay. Suppose if you have the equilateral triangle. So remember this formula, it can be used sometimes. If we have equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. If we have, suppose this is the equilateral triangle. If this is the equilateral triangle, then this angle will be 60 degree. This angle will also be 60 degree. This angle will also be 60 degree. And this is the equilateral triangle, means all sides have same length. Area of this equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 multiplied by side square. Root 3 by 4 multiplied by side square. And if you want to find this height, this height you will get root 3a divided by 2. Okay, root 3a divided by 2 you will get. Okay, now after that we have the quadrilaterals. So in quadrilaterals we know the area of square. Okay, we know what is the area of square from 8th class. Side square. We know what is the area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay, so I will not talk about the square and rectangle because you already know. We will discuss area of trapezium, area of parallelogram, of area of rhombus. So in quadrilaterals, so this is a quadrilateral, and if this figure is given, if this figure is given, example. So basically, in this figure, you can see one, this side is this side, and this side are parallel. So two sides are parallel. So this is known as the trapezium. This is known as the trapezium. If you want to find the area of the trapezium, then it will be, so this is the perpendicular height of this trapezium. Okay, perpendicular height of the trapezium, that is h. Now if you want to find the area of trapezium, and it is given that this side is b and this whole side from here to here is a, and this side is b. So in this case, the area of trapezium will be half sum of the parallel side, that is a plus b, multiplied by perpendicular height or altitude. Now if you have a parallelogram, if you have parallelogram like this is a parallelogram. So for this parallelogram, this side you know, suppose this side is b, small b, and this height you have, perpendicular height, and this is equal to h. So area of this parallelogram will be b into h, b into h. Now if you have rhombus, in parallelogram, remember, opposite sides are equal. Okay, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. If we have rhombus, rhombus. So in rhombus, all sides are equal. If this side is given, suppose this side is A, for calculating the area, you should know the perpendicular height of rhombus, this height. So area will be again here A into H. So these are some of the areas that we will use to solve the questions. Okay. Area of rectangle, you know, length into breadth. Area of square, you know, side square. That I am not writing. So these are some of the areas that we will that can be used to solve the questions. Okay. After this, we will solve some of the question. First, write down this. Then we will discuss questions. And write down fast. Scroll down.
Yes, sir.
Write down fast this because we already did this. Ask me to scroll down when complete it.
Let's scroll down.
Okay. Done. Scroll down.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. We will discuss questions, examples of NCERT. First example I am taking. We will solve only good questions, not very easy questions. So this figure is given. Okay, this figure is given already. Now this is example number 4 of NCERT. In this, it is given that in figure 12.15. So this is a figure 12.15. Two circular flower beds. So these are two circular flower beds are there. So two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of a square lawn. So basically ABCD is a square lawn, and these are the these are circular flower beds. Okay. Uh, Square lawn ABCD of side 56 centimeters. So this is a square. This ABCD is not a rectangle. This is a square. It is given in the question, and this has a side of 56 centimeters. So if this BC is 56 centimeter, means this CD will also be 56. AD will also be 56. AB will also be 56 centimeter. They're saying if the center of each circular flower bed, okay, if the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection of diagonals of the square lawn. What they are saying, center of this flower bed is the intersection of diagonals. So now we know that this is a square, ABCD is a square, and this diagonal AC is a diagonal, and DB is also a diagonal. So where these diagonals are intersecting, this at this point O. So this point O will be the center of this circle, or you can say sector or segment of the circle AB. This, okay. If the you can see here, if the center of each circular flower bed is point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn. So basically this point is the center of the circle that will when you will complete this now. So basically this is a part of a circle. So when you will complete this will become a circle. Okay, and that will have the center this. They are saying find the sum of the areas of the lawn and flower bed. Means you have to find the total area. Means this area of a square, and this area. So one by one we will find. One by one we will find the area. Okay. Okay. So this O is the center. O is the center. So if you want to find the area of this figure, so area total area, if you want to find total area. So total area will be this area plus area of square plus this area. Suppose this area is A1, area of square is A2. Okay, area of square is A2, and this area is A3. Okay, so basically you have to find A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now area of square you can find very easily. Area of square. Area of square, how can you find area of square? Area of square. ABCD. Area of square ABCD. That means you are finding A2, and that will be side square. What is the area of square? Area of square means side square means 56 square. 56 square meter square. Okay, this will be the area of this square. Now we will find A1 and A3. How we will find A1 and A3? Now see this figure OAB. See OAB. So in this OAB, this area, what is this area? This OAB is a sector. What is OAB? OAB is a sector of a circle. Okay. And one more thing here you have to understand. One more thing, very important. Diagonals of square intersect at 90-degree angles. So basically this angle will be 90-degree. Okay. All these angles will be 90-degree. This angle will also be 90-degree. If you will find this angle will also be 90-degree. This angle will also be 90-degree. So remember, diagonals of square and rectangle bisect at 90-degree. Okay. So this angle will be 90-degree angle. Now you want this A1 area. You want this A1 area. Now how can you find this A1 area? Azaan, do you have any idea? Can you give me some idea?
Yes, sir.
I am saying how can we find this A1 area? Okay, one more thing. Suppose this distance is R and this distance is also R, because this is the radius. Okay, this is the radius of this sector. This whole sector have the radius R. I have supposed, because this OA and OB will be equal, na? So okay, you want this area A1. You want this area A1. Now what is this A1? A1 is basically the segment of the circle. This is the segment. Now how we find area of segment? What we will do, first we will find the area of sector OAB. Area of this sector we will find, and then we will minus area of triangle from that. Okay, if we want to find area of sector OAB, area of area of not sector, area of segment. Basically, A1 is the area of segment. Okay, area of segment. A1 you can say. This will be area of sector. What sector? OAB sector means this sector. This is the sector of a circle OAB. OAB minus, if you will, from this whole area, if you will remove the area of this triangle, then you will get area of this segment. So area of triangle OAB minus area of triangle OAB. Now we can find A1. So A1 will be area of sector OAB. Now we can find area of sector OAB. See here, this is 90 degree. What is the formula for the area of sector? Theta multiplied by pi r square divided by 360. Okay, this will be the area of sector. Formula for the area of sector. Now area of triangle OAB. So see this triangle. In this triangle, okay, this angle is 90 degree, and opposite to 90 degree, this will be the hypotenuse. Basically this will be a right angle triangle. Okay, so if you want to find the area of this triangle, so you can assume this r as base and this r as height. So area of this triangle will be half into r square, r into r. Okay, so area of triangle you can find half into base into height. Okay. So theta is 90 degree we have, multiplied by pi r square divided by 360 minus half into r square. So from here it will be 4. So you will have 1 by 4 pi r square, 1 by 4 into pi r square, pi r square, and here you will have 1 by 2 into r square. A1. This will be the A1. Now similarly, A3 and A1 will be equal. A1 and A3 will be equal. You can see this angle will also be 90 degree. This will be also r. If you will, this length will be r. This length will be r. Means OD will be r. OC will be r. So similarly, you can find A3. So A1 and A3 are equal. So A1 is equal to A3. So I am not finding A3 because A3 and A1 are equal. Now R, how can we find R? So now this OAB is a right angle triangle. So in OAB we can apply Pythagoras theorem. In right angled triangle OAB, it will be perpendicular square, that is r square, base square, that is r square, hypotenuse square means 56 square. Okay, if you are considering this as a perpendicular, r as a perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Here either you can take base this or you can take base this. So from here you will get r square. So it will be 2r square is equal to 56 square. So you will have r square is equal to it will be 56 multiplied by 56 divided by 2. So basically r square we will have 28 multiplied by 56. So this is the r square. Now from here we can find this A1. Okay, we can find this A1. So now A1 we can find. So A1 is this 1 by 4 into pi r square. This is A1. So from here we can take common r square. So we will have 1 upon 4 pi minus 1 by 2. Okay, or we can write directly also. So we will have 1 by 4 and value of pi is 22 divided by 7. R square is 28 multiplied by 56 minus half into r square. What is r square? R square is 28 multiplied by 56. Now from here you will get a1. So you can cancel this out. 7 4 is 28 and 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So you will have 22 into 56 minus, from here you can cancel this out, it will be 14. So it will be 14 minus multiplied by 56. Now take 56 common. So you will have 22 minus 14. So 22 minus 14, 8. So you will have 56 multiplied by 8. So it will be 8 6 are 48, means 8, and carry 4. 8 5 are 40 and 8 means 40 plus 4. It will be 448. 448 meter square. Now A1 is 448 meter square. Similarly, A3 is equal to A1 and that will also equal to 448 meter square. Now we can find total area, that will be A1 plus A2 plus A3. Total area A1 plus A2 plus, what is A1? A1 is 448. What is A2? A2 is 56 square. What is A3? A3 is again 448. 56 square is 40. This will be 448 plus 56 square. We can find 56 square. 6 6 are 36. 3. 6 5 are 30 and 3. So 6 5 are 30. 0 3. 5 are 25. 26 27 28. It will be 6 3. So it will be 3 1 3 6. 3136 plus 448. Okay, so when you will add these you will get the answer. Okay, Azaan, this
Yes,
question
sir.
is a bit lengthy. Okay, this question is a bit lengthy, but this is easy. This question is not that hard. You have to think little bit. Okay, so what you should do now you should take the screenshot. If you will write, then it will take lot of time. Okay, take the screenshot and then after that you can write in your copy.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Scroll down.
Yes, sir. Let's scroll down.
Okay, so practice this question at least 2 times.
Okay, sir.
Scroll down.
Done, sir.
Okay, so check the calculation also. Okay, so the square
Okay.
of 56 also, and here when you will add these you will get the answer.
Done, sir.
Okay, Azaan, so In the next class, we will discuss more questions and practice this question at least 2 times so that you understand it properly. Okay, here the concept is the diagonals of square will intersect at 90-degree angle. You should learn this point. And if this
Okay.
angle will be 90-degree, so we can find the area of the sector. And with the help of the area of sector and area of triangle, we can find the